today's silhouette welding demonstration, I've only included the parts of this card that were important for this demonstration. The top is the base of our card and the places that it folds, making the Z fold, and the bottom is the one that we will mount to the front of it. So I will set those together, and then the next thing we need to do is the donut itself. So we will center those and group those together, place that up here on the donut where it belongs. And here's the part we're adding. This is the new piece. So I wanted this for a local company called the Donut Queen. I wanted this little donut to have a crown. So I grabbed this crown and I wanted it to be just behind the donut and just hanging off of that right hand side little piece of the crown there. So, so bring this to the front is easier. Bring that to the front. Okay, so then we're going to go over to the offset panel, hit offset. For this particular project, I wanted it at a 0.050. Apply, that way it holds all those little pieces of the crown in there. So let's move the crown off the screen and the donut off the screen. We'll go to a larger screen. We'll choose the outline of the crown, hold our shift button, the outline of the donut, right click, and weld those together. When we bring it down, you'll see these little dots over here. That is your folding dot, so make sure that you group that together so they stay all inclusive. Now you can prepare to send a cut and cut your items and assemble your product. Happy tweaking!